Morning, everyone. I'm just going to take you through the Syspro journey with Deli Spices and Mon. So essentially, Deli Spices are a leading seasoning and additive blend supplier in Sub-Saharan Africa. Basically, Deli Spices was established in 1981 by Walter Haller. He was a German butcher who relocated to South Africa, came over here and started up a business with blending spices. It started off as a little family-owned business, but it has expanded through Southern Africa, grown immensely over the years. And by 2017, Deli Spices entered into a strategic partnership with Mon, who is one of the largest flavor and fragrance companies in the world. Deli Spices has got their head office and innovation center, as well as their main manufacturing plant based in Cape Town, South Africa. We've also got distribution centers in Cape Town and Johannesburg. And we've got branches throughout South Africa, as well as Botswana, Kenya, Namibia, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So quite a good spread. Essentially, our journey with Syspro began about 30 years ago. So as a small family business, as they started up and it was realized that an ERP system was going to be needed, Syspro was adopted as the ERP of choice. And it has been very scalable because we're still with Syspro today. By 2019, all the South African subsidiaries of Deli Spices were successfully merged into one Syspro company. That was quite a major task. As you can imagine, with master file data, there were 10 different subsidiaries, each one with their own stock code for the same item. So that was quite something to be able to standardize and bring everything together under one Syspro company. By 2021, we made the decision to standardize on our warehouse management system across the South African warehouses, and we brought in Datascope, WMS. This was selected due to its strong interface with Syspro. So we found that there were a couple on the market that we could look at that had existing interfaces with Syspro, but we found Datascope was the one that we chose due to its interface. We have been rolling this out over the last year and a half, and we're now at a stage where we've just got 2 branches left to bring on board into that WMS system, and then that project will be complete. Basically, at Deli Spices, our journey with Syspro has been one where we've got some unique little challenges. So one of the things that we need to focus in on is the fact that we supply into retail. And of course, being food product, we have to have full batch traceability. So we need that lot traceability all the way from the source right up until it's actually sold and where it goes to. This is made a little more complicated by the fact that some of the giant retailers might dictate what sort of shelf lives they need on these products. So they will even tell us we don't accept product that has got less than a year's shelf life, for instance. So as much as what we try to work to first in, first out to make sure that we don't have product that stands and expires, we also need to adhere to the retailer's expectations. And that means that we need to have some sort of custom rules, if you like. So when we need to print picking slips, those picking slips need to tell the pickers exactly which bins to go to and which batches to pick that would suit not only the expiry dates, but also the shelf life requirements of the retailers. So we've got some unique challenges in our business. And we found that Syspro gives us a very good, strong base model for that, because we've got the likes of custom forms that we can actually build in. And based on that, we can put together a little bit of VB scripting that really helped. At the moment, we're sitting with a 130 user Syspro license. So it's not huge. But that being said, we use e.net interfacing with a number of third-party applications. So as I mentioned, the Datascope, we've got 160 user license on Datascope. And then with our third-party applications, all using the e.net interface, we've got things like Rapid Trade, Indoxa, NetStock, so a good number of third-party applications, which all sit around Syspro and feed in and out of Syspro. So Syspro is the foundation for all of this. Just recently, our most recent change that we're busy looking at is internal support. So in terms of where we are today, the company has grown dramatically. We've gotten to a point where we've standardized a lot in terms of master file data. Now we need to start standardizing a lot of those processes. And in order to do that, we need a very strong in-house support system. We've managed that internally for a long time, but now we've reached out to Syspro and we've actually signed up on a Syspro contract, which is relatively new. We've only been with Syspro for a couple of months directly with our key account manager, Brandon. And this is going to give us the opportunity to restructure our internal application support. So what we're looking to do is just to reduce the turnaround times to the end users. As you can imagine, in a business like this, it's large volumes, so it has to be really fast moving. And any downtime basically means that the business is standing still. So we're trying to get to a point where we can now reduce that end user time if there are any issues or any hassles, any questions or any new challenges that we face. And that's why we've embarked on this journey with actually taking a contract directly with Syspro. It just gives us some contact directly with Syspro themselves. And so far, so good. It seems to be working quite nicely. It means that we're on board and Syspro is also aware of what it is that we're doing and the changes that are going on within the business.